Hi, I'm Deanna from Pizzan Academy, and we are doing another unboxing of Coffee with a Classic. This is a little different this month because of the COVID-19 pandemic. They had some issues with sourcing and shipping, so we got to choose what box we wanted from some previous boxes that they had released over the past few years. The thing is, I've forgotten what I chose because there were so many I wanted, and I think I kind of just finally clicked something and I have completely it's left my mind which one it is. So it's still going to be a surprise, and I'm really excited for that. Next month they will be resuming their new shipments with their new stock, so I'm really excited about that. So let's see what we have from Coffee and a Classic. I can open it. Okay, we have our regular photo box, which I'm always excited to get because I use them for organizing stuff. And they have their little branded logo there. Heidi! That's right, I am on a children's literature kick, and I chose the Heidi box. They also had a Little Mermaid one and a Little Women one, and I couldn't really decide, but I knew I wanted to do children's lit, and it's all coming back to me now, so I'm very excited for this. Heidi is a great story. It's just so charming, and I don't know why, but somehow I'm in this mood to reread these stories that I read when I was a young girl, so I'm very excited about this box. So this is Coffee and a Classic. I choose tea because I drink coffee in the morning and sometimes a latte in the afternoon, but I love tea, so it's always fun to get a new tea with this subscription. So this mug says, "I want to go about like light-footed goats." How sweet is that? And that pretty much sums up most of my days in the springtime and summertime. I love the sunshine and I love the garden, so... and that's a really nice, it looks like one of those metal enamel mugs, but it's ceramic, so that's a really nice mug, and it's a really good size because I like big cups of tea. And here we have, this is a Swiss cocoa decaf tea, so it looks like some kind of a chocolate tea. That should be fun. I might actually save that for the cooler months because that looks like it would be really nice with some sweet cream in the winter. And a Toblerone. Very exciting. One of my favorite candies, actually. That's fun. And, oh my goodness! A little Swiss-looking cowbell keychain. That is adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh, the Swiss theme is because Heidi was written by a Swiss author, Joanna Spyri, and it's set in the Swiss Alps. And then we have goat meat honey bubble bath. That's quite nice. And of course, the book. And what a beautiful, charming edition of the book there. Nice pink. And then on the back it says, "I'm never called anything but Heidi." This is a really pretty edition. I'm very excited to have this. In fact, I think when I reread Heidi, I will be reading this particular edition. Oh, Heidi is about a young girl who is just delightful, and she comes across this old man and different people, and she just she changes their lives. And the old man is, you know, kind of like, I can't be bothered, but she's just so sweet and charming. And she delights everyone that she encounters, and I remember being absolutely just taken with her when I was young, and so I'm very excited to reread this as an adult. So there you have it, a little girl Heidi with her goats in the mountains of Switzerland. Okay, and then it looks like there's a little pouch with this sweet little embroidery, and let's see what is inside here. Oh my goodness, it's a little goat paper clip that you can use as a bookmark. This is just such a sweet little package. So this again is a monthly subscription box called Coffee with a Classic. They have children's literature and they have adult literature, and it's all classic, so you can choose if you want children or adults. I usually do the adult classic literature, but this month, again, due to the COVID-19 stuff going on, they had a hard time figuring out how to do it, so I think that they just had some older boxes from previous subscriptions, and you could choose which one. I chose Heidi, and now I'm kind of curious to see what more of the children's lit is, so maybe I'll be switching back and forth, because you can choose which one you want, and they actually will tell you what is in the box. So if you already have the novel, or if you've read it or you're not interested, you can switch to the children's. So maybe I'll switch back and forth. The only thing about doing that is that you find out what the novel is going to be, and I love the surprise, so it's kind of a trade-off. But there you go, coffee and a classic, and a great fun subscription box for classic literature, whether it's for juveniles or adults.